As speculation grows about Amazon's potential investment in AST SpaceMobile to expand its Project Kuiper ambitions, industry observers are left wondering whether this move will reshape the competitive landscape or if regulatory hurdles, technological challenges, or shift in strategic priorities will ultimately prevent the partnership from materializing. Nevertheless, the charts don't lie. This is the weekly chart. Price broke out in recent weeks. Now, where is this speculation coming from? An intriguing idea being floated around by Defiance News expert Larry Ramirez suggests that Amazon should buy or make a considerable investment in AST SpaceMobile. He explained, in light of the tremendous potential of their technology, he would not be surprised if Amazon eventually decides to buy the company for as much as $80 billion in a combination of cash and stock. Now, the Project Kuiper satellite broadband to leapfrog their own deployment satellites were arguably AST's superior craft. Now, the concept is that an Amazon stake in AST would guarantee access to AST satellites and its broadband technology. These systems would likely enable Amazon to deploy its Project Kuiper initiative more quickly while greatly increasing the amount of revenue that it can generate. Now, with that said, let's go back to the charts. And just want to point out to your attention its weekly buy level that the buyers are willing to defend at $18, and that was based on this rally in price when base and candle rally out. And what do you do when price pulls back? Well, those unfilled buy orders get filled, but this is where the smart money bid up price. And most recently, you see above average volume coming in again in the week of June 2nd. How do things look on the monthly chart? Well, you can see price continues to move to the upside. Trend line break, go long. Trend line break, go long. You had confirmation the week of June 9th as price broke out again. And it barely hit all-time highs during the week of June 9th. Question is, if you believe in the stock, believe in the speculation, where can one get long? Right? Impulse move, pull back. Question is, where's that next move higher going to be? You have two levels to consider on the daily chart. This is what I call daily buyers at the round hole psychological number of $40. And you have another little level just below that. At the $35 level. And how does this align with previous all-time highs? The charts are suggesting best levels to get long. It's going to be the lower level. Why? Consider this your offensive line. This is your quarterback. As sellers continue to move down, they're going to be met with buyers. However, if price continues to move down to retest all-time highs, which is resistance, now support, you're going to have a bigger balance between buyers and sellers. Look for price to pull back, get long at about $37. Put a stop at $30. Easily a nice 3-to-1 reward to risk setup.